Welcome back to part 2 of why your Netflix knows you better than your friends. In this segment, we dive deep into how the algorithm actually learns and predicts what you want to watch. Machine learning is the foundation of Netflix recommendations. The system uses mathematical models that improve every single time you interact with it. When you watch, pause, or skip a show, you are training the algorithm to understand your preferences better. Netflix collects massive amounts of training data. Every click, every pause point, every rating you give becomes a data point. Millions of users generate billions of data points every single day. This enormous dataset is what allows Netflix to train incredibly accurate models. Once Netflix has all this data, it looks for patterns. People who watched science fiction tend to also watch documentaries. Viewers who binge drama shows often finish them within a week. Teenagers prefer horror more than adults do. These patterns become the rules the algorithm uses. One of the most powerful techniques Netflix uses is called collaborative filtering. It works by finding people who are similar to you. If someone else watched the exact same shows as you and loved a particular series, Netflix predicts you will love it too. It is like asking millions of invisible friends for recommendations. Netflix builds a detailed profile for you. It is not just about the shows you watched. It includes when you watched them, how long you watched, whether you rated them, your age range, your location, your language preference, even your viewing device. Every single detail helps refine the profile. At the heart of Netflix is the prediction engine. It takes all your profile data, compares it to patterns from millions of other users, and calculates a score for every single show and movie on the platform. This score represents how likely you are to enjoy it. Shows with the highest scores appear at the top of your feed. Let us walk through a concrete example. Imagine you're Sarah, a 28-year-old who loves true crime documentaries and British comedies. Netflix finds 3 other users with nearly identical tastes. All 3 of them watched a new thriller series called Midnight Murder. Your profile shows you are likely to enjoy it too, so it moves to the top of your recommendations. This is personalization at scale. So why is Netflix so accurate? Because it uses multiple machine learning models at once. One model predicts if you will like the content. Another predicts how long you will watch it. A third predicts if you will share it. The system combines all these predictions with weights based on historical accuracy. The result is eerily precise recommendations. Now, this level of accuracy comes with privacy implications. Netflix knows what you watch in the privacy of your home. It knows your viewing patterns, your interests, your emotional responses to content, even which moments you rewind to watch again. This data is incredibly valuable and must be protected carefully. Netflix is responsible for keeping your data secure and not selling it to third parties. The algorithm never stops learning. Every single interaction you have with Netflix feeds back into the system. Watch a new show, the algorithm updates. Rate something, the algorithm learns. Skip a recommendation, the algorithm adjusts. Over time, the recommendations become even more personalized and accurate. Netflix is constantly improving. So why does Netflix know you better than your friends? Because it has more data. Your friends know maybe 50 shows you have watched. Netflix knows all 10,000. Your friends can recommend based on conversation. Netflix recommends based on behavioral patterns from a billion users. Your friends get tired of thinking about you. Netflix never stops analyzing. The algorithm does not have emotions or biases. It is pure mathematics optimizing for one goal, finding content you will love. Thanks for watching this deep dive into why Netflix knows you better than your friends. The combination of machine learning, massive data collection, and continuous improvement creates a recommendation system that is almost eerily accurate. Subscribe for more explorations of how AI shapes our world.